Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing a quick unboxing of the 25 DOL or 25 DOL Buddha statue in their 8-inch model in the gold color. For those of you that have been following my channel for a while, you may know that I'm getting back into meditation on a regular basis, and so I'm trying to build a meditation space in my apartment that's more conducive for mindfulness practice and kind of just making it easier and more conducive for meditating on a regular basis. And so I came across the Buddha statue on Amazon, thought it would be appropriate for the space I'm designing, and so what we'll do in this video is we'll just unbox this, show you what it looks like, and you'll get a general sense of what comes in the packaging. If you're interested in potentially purchasing this, it is on Amazon for about $30, so it's a really cheap and elegant statue for the price. Okay, so this is the 25 DOL or DOL Buddha statue. You can get this on Amazon for about $35. This is going to be their 8-inch version in the gold and black color, but they've got several different color options. I believe they have a navy, teal, and maybe a purple one. You'd have to check out online, but I'll leave a link in the description below. We'll just get this open and give you a general sense of what it looks like. I've already actually opened this just to make sure that it was not damaged in the shipping, but it's intact, and I'll show you what it looks like. Sorry, there's some styrofoam in here. And so the packaging is just a box to hold it. As you can tell, there's styrofoam in here to protect it so that's not damaged in shipping, and I've basically gotten styrofoam all over the place, which is kind of annoying. But here's the actual statue. It comes within the styrofoam, it comes in an actual plastic bag, and here's what the Buddha statue looks like. And so this is their 8-inch version. I picked the gold and black version just because that's the overall style and design I like for my apartment and thought would be appropriate for my meditation space. And so here's what it looks like. So it has the Buddha in a meditative pose on kind of like a setup altar, and it's just this really elegant and unique design. This thing is just beautiful for what it is. And so I'll just spin it around, give you a general sense of what it looks like. But that's what it looks like. And so for $35, this is a great option available on Amazon. I think it's culturally appropriate, and it just has this like nice peaceful elegance to it. But that's really it. As far as the other options, I think they've got different ones where there's different colors for the garment and kind of the overall layout, so you can check those out. And I believe the poses and the items within the statue are a little bit different as well. And so real quick, what I'll do is I'll just set this up in the space that I'm going to use for meditating, and you can get a general sense of what it looks like that. Otherwise, if you're interested in purchasing, you can check that out below. All right, and so this is what the actual statue looks like in the space that I have for meditating. So that's really all I have for the video, but that's what the Buddha statue looks like for $35. It's very affordable. I think it's absolutely beautiful for that price, and I'd highly recommend it based on the experience. It seems very well designed. So if you have questions, comments, you can post them below. Otherwise, hopefully this was helpful.